Founded in 1993, Omex Agrifluides specialize in the design, manufacture and export of highly concentrated suspension plant nutrients and soluble powder fertilizers. Initially, premises were shared with their sister company, Omex Agriculture, but in 2009, as worldwide demand increased for Omex Agrifluides technology, the decision was taken to invest in a new laboratory and factory premises. The company have now upgraded all aspects of product development, production and quality control. Raw materials are carefully selected from established international suppliers and rigorously checked for heavy metals and other impurities. Liquid raw materials are stored in bulk storage tanks on site, ensuring continuous availability at peak manufacturing periods. Modern laboratories are equipped with the latest analytical and development tools to ensure that the correct quality standards are met. A team of chemists and technicians work closely with agronomy specialists, creating novel plant nutrition products to satisfy the growing worldwide demand. Only the highest quality materials are used in the manufacture of Omex liquid and dry soluble fertilizers. Highly skilled operators ensure precise measurement of raw materials into stainless steel mixing vessels. High-speed shear mixers are used to carefully combine the various ingredients, and each product has its own unique requirements. After the formulation process, the liquid suspensions are filled into a variety of pack sizes, ranging from a 250 milliliter bottle up to 200 liter and 1000 liter bulk containers. Rigorous accelerated storage tests are conducted on all formulations to be certain that shelf life requirements are satisfied. Omex Agrifluides also manufacture high-quality soluble powder formulation for fertirrigation, subject to the same stringent quality control procedures. The powder products are packed into strong 3-layered polypropylene bags, specially designed for export. The Omex quality control system monitors all aspects of the manufacturing process from beginning to end. Liquid suspensions are precision packed on automated production lines. Load cells are used to ensure consistent and accurate filling. Rapid order turnaround minimizes product storage time in the warehouse. All bottle presentations are secured with induction seals and tamper-evident security caps. Batch numbers and dates of manufacture are printed onto the labels or bottles for complete traceability. Finished bottles are packed into the highest grade cardboard cartons, designed to provide excellent protection throughout the export journey. Finally, all heat-treated pallets are shrink-wrapped for extra protection. Finished orders are stored prior to dispatch in a customized rack area. Each stacking row represents one shipping container. This system ensures efficient and trouble-free export using the Omex distribution network. From their United Kingdom headquarters in Kings Lynn, Omex Agrifluides successfully delivers high-quality plant nutrition products to customers in over 65 countries worldwide.